I'm going to warn you right now that if you are not getting this larger 170 fluid ounces jug, you're going to be surprised how small the other jug is that you're going to get. I made the mistake of getting the smaller one, and I finally figured out that the larger one, not only is it a better bang for my buck, but I simply don't have to purchase as many jugs. So in this particular case, if you have a similar setup like this, you simply open it up like this. Now, if I were to just do this, you'll see that it's going to crush that little lid. So I just kind of move it sort of to the side like so, and let's kind of position it right like this, and we're gonna, that's it right there. And if you're having difficulty actually having it get the flow out, you just sort of let a little air in on the top right there, and then let's see if it goes any faster. Oh, and yes it does. And just like that, you'll notice there are no drips whatsoever to get all over my nice clean laundry room. Clip like that, and we're ready to go.